Hey, what's up, coin hunters, and welcome to this unboxing of the Iguanodon 50 pence piece. This will finish off our dinosaur set in the actual folder. Look, the Iguanodon's next to the queue there. First queue found on YouTube, by the way. So yeah, we're just going to go to the page where it's supposed to go. I'm really happy with these folders that I got, like sleeves. I actually got them imported from China last year, so I'm actually very happy with them. There is some toning, but I think it's just the ones that I've purchased from Westminster. I actually bought this. I wasn't sent it or anything like that. It's going to go here next to the other two. There is a little bit, it's weird. The circulated ones are not toning, and then the uncircs does have a slight like golden into them. But as I collect for fun, I'm not too bothered about that, to be honest. They are apparently acid free anyway, so hopefully that's right. So yeah, so we're gonna end up finishing our little set of 50 pences. I was doing a little experiment to see the difference between keeping the coin in the plastic here, and it doesn't really make a difference. So without wasting any more time, I'm actually going to open this. Now we can have a look at the queen sign. Not badness really. So it's going to go here. So we're going to open this up. So I know there's probably people going to be like, why are you opening it? But I don't want to keep it in there. Look how much space. If I was to keep each one of them, look, one for every 4 50p's. So here we go. Oh, rip it open. There we go. We're going to have a look at the coin as well. See what kind of marks this brilliant uncirculated coin was gonna have. So let's start off with the queen side. Unusually, this one is quite clean for a Westminster coin. They have actually banned me. They've closed my account. For some reason, they signed me up to I think, what's it, a subscription service. Didn't send anything out but billed me for it, so I refused to pay, and they've closed my account. So I actually purchased this off of the Chain Checker eBay page or store. Having a look at the actual Iguanodon side, we actually got a nice clean one for once. There we go. Very nice indeed. So we're going to add this. I don't think it helps me not wearing gloves to put them in, but it's my coin in it. That's probably thingy. So we're going to just pop it in here. What I like about these is it does have a tab on the back, but the tab doesn't actually go into the flip. Well, it has a flip, but it doesn't go into the thingamajig. But there we go. So all 3 dinos are there all together. Finally, this has been sitting on my shelf for ages. I do need to still get the Peter Rabbit to go here, and the Olympic one. I was waiting for the Olympic one to come into circulation. I think that's going to end up staying empty for quite a while. But yeah, just waiting for the Peter Rabbit one to come back in stock on eBay. As soon as they do that, I've seen them like heavily promoting it on Facebook recently, so hopefully they put it on eBay as well, so I can purchase one. But yeah, guys, what do you think of the Iguanodon? I know it's been out for quite a while, and I haven't really reviewed it or anything, but I do like it. I do like the set. This is the type of sets I would be happy for them to bring out more of. someone recently commented about me not liking the idea of the Winnie the Pooh, which is probably going to be on the start a new page anyway. But the reason I don't like it is because it's dominated this whole page. So that's from just 2017, yeah? Right. We're dominated by cartoon characters, basically. The whole way is just cartoon, cartoon, cartoon. And it's... I know we have a good British heritage of entertainment and cartoons and stuff, but did we really need 13 Beatrix Potter coins? You know, we could just have one. The original one would have been fine. Just, where is it? That. Done. But yeah, that's me going off of topic again. So guys, yeah, Iguanodon's in. It's going to get a bit toned. I might wait for it to get toned a bit and then do the close-up video of it. I just like the way they, I kind of like the way they look though. You know, I can see where my fingers have been on Paddington and that one. But yeah guys, Iguanodon's in. What do you think of it? Leave your thoughts of it in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So take care guys, and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.